Randy Rocky, Swan Financial. Christopher wants to know in this email something that I think a lot of people maybe want to know. What is PMI? And does Christopher and others have
Hmm.
to pay it? It's
Yes.
the letters are for what? Private mortgage
Private
insurance, right?
private mortgage insurance, and usually it's FHA. You have to basically pay at the life of the loan. On conventional is when you get actually at 78% loan to value, is when if you don't get a new appraisal. So your loan, let's say it's 100,000, you go to 78,000, then your private mortgage insurance would come off. But you can buy it out, which happens very little. So what it is, it's an extra charge that doesn't go towards your principal or interest or anything. And the reason that they have PMI on a property is people don't put 20% down, and there's more risk involved. So then they have a private mortgage insurance pool. So if they do have a foreclosure issue, then they go into that and use part of that for when they have foreclosure problems.
Yep. Christopher, one other little caveat to this for other folks who already are paying PMI, you want to check and make sure. As you approach 20% equity in the house, you yourselves want to
Yes.
initiate a search to find out
Uh-huh.
if you can get the PMI removed, right, Randy? Because
Very well said.
yeah,
Yes.
the loan officer, well, the mortgage companies don't do this on their own because they're
No,
making some extra
they're not
cash.
volunteering that. Right.
Yep. Right. So yeah. So folks, if you're paying PMI and you've been in your house, how many years, Randy? What should we say?
Well, I mean, obviously during COVID, it was crazy. If you bought a house before 2021, you're paying PMI and it's not an FHA loan, you should absolutely be able to get out of PMI.
Yeah, especially with the way homes have increased in value.
Yes.
So start the process by contacting the mortgage company and seeing what needs to be done to follow the procedures, and hopefully we can save people paying your PMI on a monthly basis. Well, our little alarm tells us we are out of time. It went quick. It really did. My thanks to Chuck Crosby, who is one of the head guys. Actually, he is the main guy over at the Crosby Law Office. Of course, his wife would probably differ with that. Sherry would tell you I'm the head person,
Oh,
but
is that what she sounds like? I'm going to
no.
play this back for her so she can hear.
Sorry, Sharon. No, I'm the head person. Yeah, no, she's a sweet lady, and you can reach Chuck at any time for real estate closings, wills, which are so important, and more. 499-6360 is his office number. Also, my thanks to Randy Rocky, who is one of the head guys over at Swan Financial. They do a great job shopping your loan. You can reach Randy at 645-0736. And if you are thinking of selling your home now or in the future or buying a home, I've got a team, but it's me when it comes to selling your home. I'd love to come out free, no obligation analysis. You can reach me on my cell phone, 376-5483, which translates into 376 Live, or go to bobsellslouisville.com and fill out the information, hit submit. And then again, remember, for a free, no obligation analysis of what your home is worth, it's computer, it's a start. You can go to WeSellLouisville.com and click on the top of the page. A reminder, next week, something interesting that I don't know that we've tackled in a while, laundry mistakes that you are probably, and I'm probably making every day when we do laundry. That's it. We're out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.